Alright guys, hope you're well. So, about a month ago, we started the latest mother of vinegar culture, and well, here it is. Looking lovely. So today we're going to be seeing if we've made vinegar or if we've made mold. Because well, so far, it hasn't really worked very well. So if you haven't seen the part 1, I'll stick the link at the top there. Let's get into this. So I can say, after the month, it smells like vinegar, which is pretty damn awesome because it means it's actually worked. Who knew? So, don't just take my word for it, we're going to do a couple of little experiments. I know I could just do it with pH paper, but I've got magnesium ribbon and, well, everyone knows what you like to do with magnesium ribbon. So, the first thing we're going to do is test it with pH paper. We didn't do it to start off with, but it should be acidic, because, well, it smells like vinegar. So, got my litmus paper, universal. Let's just pop it in. And I will put a little bit up on the screen so you can see what this looks like. But it is acidic. So there, points for us. We got something right. So by the pH paper, it is really quite acidic now, which means nothing else is cultured. It is the mother of vinegar in here, which will continue turning the alcohol into vinegar until it runs out of alcohol. Then, if it still has oxygen present, it will start turning the vinegar into water, which is not what you want. So you're going to have to taste it if you try this yourself. And then when you get to that liking you like, you can either water it down if it's too strong, or you can bottle it up and keep it sealed without oxygen, and then it will just lay dormant. Really handy to know, so you don't need to chill it, but this is safe to try. So in goes my clean hand. Well, that's really good. It is quite acidic. It is a bit more acidic than the organic cider vinegar I actually bought for the original experiment, which is really good on chips. This has more of an apple flavour. Not surprising really. Actually really damn good. But we're not going to stop there. Before I bottle this up so I can use it as I see fit, as a starter culture or for my chips, I'm going to pour a little bit out, like so, and we're going to have some fun with magnesium. Why not? So I know it doesn't really have any relevance, but it's just handy to know that magnesium will react with vinegar. Plus it's also a visual representation that, one, you can find magnesium by pouring vinegar on it, and two, that we've made vinegar because the magnesium reacts with it. Quite a lot actually. It's looking very clean. So I'm not going to be using this bit. It's being enriched with magnesium. I suppose that's good for you. Anyway, so I'm actually going to bottle this up because I'm really happy with this vinegar as it is. And it's pretty straightforward. I already have a vinegar bottle. It's got a little bit of vinegar down to there. I don't really mind. There we go. Just a tiny smidgen of vinegar. It's not going to make too much of a difference, and I can store this indefinitely as long as I keep the lid on. The mother of vinegar will go dormant. So in goes. Oh, my smelly lovely. Wow, vinegar of loveliness. And just don't need to be worried about oxygenation. Just pour it in. Wow, that's pretty damn strong. And there we go. And it's got the mother, which is the layer on the top. Sometimes it's really thick, sometimes it's not. It really depends on what you get. It's potluck. So there we go. Sure, I've just got the big chunks off. And there we go. I now have a lovely fresh bottle of organic vinegar that I've made myself. And it smells pretty damn strong. I'm gonna look forward to experimenting with this, with maybe some of my failed brews that I don't drink. Because well, that's what happens. So, had a bit of fun. I hope you did as well. We've made vinegar and now you know how to do it as well. Pretty cool. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to check out some of the other ones and well, subscribe if you feel like it. Get on homebrewing, guys. See you later. So I just want to take a second to thank my patrons. They're helping me grow the channel, upgrade my equipment, all of that fantastic stuff. And as a thank you to them and for future patrons, I also do 4 Patreon-only videos per month. So it's pretty handy if you want a little bit extra. So there's some other links to videos down below, and of course the Patreon and subscribe button. Don't forget to check those out. See ya.